This means in this question, no options will be there. You have to just write in a numerical form. Numerical means in a number one. So I know that you people don't know the exact answer of this question. So the right answer will be that is 1 lakh. So you have to write 1. So this is called without option questions. So in your 25 acts now, the compensation is there. Suppose twice the amount of check, twice the amount of whatever money that we got. So these are the amount that will definitely come in your exam in BRBL subject. So in each act, whatever the amount of fine I will teach you, you have to highlight and note it down and you have to. So this is your 1 lakh. And if I just say you a one more question in this particular question, that what is the maximum limit in which ombudsman can pass the award? So the maximum limit is, guys, 20 lakh rupees. What is the maximum limit? 20 lakh rupees that ombudsman can award in this particular act. And 1 lakh, that is the separate for the compensation for complainant time, expenses incurred, and harassment. That's it. Exactly, Arvind sir. The without option question now, this is without option question will always come in numerical means this is your question. So in the answer you have to write in a number way. This is called numerical, not solving the numerical. No, sir. It is not ABM or ABFM. You have to write the number. Suppose 1 lakh is the answer. So, sir, you have to write 1. Because your exam is computer-based exam. So, you have to write number from the keyboard. No, 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 no. Only 1. Or it may be possible you can write, you can also write 1000000. Yes, this is also the way to write. Because you have to write a number. That's it. Either this or either this. Maybe lakh will be there. You have to write down only 1. Is that okay? So this is called what? Without option question. One more question I'm just giving you. Okay, one more question. Suppose this question is from Consumer Protection Act. Suppose if Nikita ma'am have purchased some goods. If Nikita ma'am have purchased some goods and goods become defective. So when the goods become defective class, so what will happen? So Nikita ma'am will complain to the shopkeeper, but shopkeeper is not understanding my this one question, okay, and he is not giving me any solution. So I will complain a file to the district consumer forum. I will complain to the district consumer forum. Okay, I can complain. So what is the time limit in which I can file the case to the district consumer forum? Can anyone tell me? This is a basic question. What is the time limit in which I can file the case to the district consumer forum? Anyone? In how many days I can file the case? So this question in numerical form. So I think one girl. Okay, Parvati ma'am. That's great, Parvati ma'am. And that's bravo. Parvati ma'am, you are absolutely right, ma'am. Within 45 days, you can go to the district consumer forum. Excellent, ma'am. So guys, 45 days, you have to write in numerical form. That's it. Is that okay, class? So this type of question will come in your exam. That's it. Okay, let's move toward the next one. Indian Contract Act. Now guys, we have to write the year, that what is the year of this act. No, UGB is not 30. 1874. Ravi Kumar sir, Soumya ma'am. See class, I'm not see. The without option question will come. At least 5 to 8 question will come without options. Okay. Year may be 1 to 2 question. It may be only 1 question. So you have to learn the year. So the year is, guys, 1872. And don't worry if you people are not giving the reply now. So don't worry. When I will just teach you now, you can easily get your year. You can easily learn the year. Is that okay? And see, in the law, no need to mug up the things. You only have to understand the terms. So Indian contract, This is also without option, but in the previous session of December, this question was asked. And the question was asked from the what is the year of Payment and Settlement Act. So that's why this is important. Okay, next question. What is the full form of FSDC? 1 to 2 question will come from this one. What is the full form of FSDC? Tell me, class. Full form of FSDC. Full form of FSDC. What is this, class? Any idea? If no idea, don't worry. Yes? Yes, yes, class. Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? Tell me. Right? Don't know. It's okay. The full form of FSDC is Financial Stability Development Council. That's it. So don't worry if you don't know this. I'm just telling you in this foundation batch the full form of things. So this thing is taken from module A. Okay, so in module A, this topic is there. So you have to learn this one. So full form can become 1, 2 question, etc. So that's why this is important. Okay, guys? Okay, the next question. Now, this question is basically whatever we have read in the paid batch now. So if you know the paid batch concept that I will teach you in the class, you can easily do that question. So guys, this question is basically from Lok Adalat. This question is basically from Lok Adalat. Is that okay? Now, Lok Adalat means, see, basically in our India, we have a court. In India, we have a court where dispute can be solved. Okay, we have a court in which the dispute can be solved. But court takes so much time. So that's why in India we have a ADR system. What is ADR? Alternative Dispute Resolution. What is this? Alternative Dispute Resolution System. So under ADR, what will happen? Under ADR, what will happen? There are so many authority which is made under ADR, just like Lok Adalat, Tribunal, okay? Then arbitration, conciliation, mediation, negotiation, etc. etc. Okay, guys? So these are the ADR in which the matter can be solved under this particular organization. There is a difference between court and ADR because the court it takes so much time. We have to hire advocate in the court, but in ADR we can present our case by themselves. I can present my case in front of the person. And in ADR, it is not necessary that the judge will sit. The expert person can also give the decision. Is that okay? So the Lok Adalat is also one of the ADR. It is always established just below the district court. Okay. So now, what is given in the Lok Adalat? See, Soumya ma'am, first of all, see, I'm just telling you. Lok Adalat have a jurisdiction. Jurisdiction means the place where they can handle the matter. So the Lok Adalat have jurisdiction to settle the matter at pre-litigation stage. What is pre-litigation? See, when the matter is going in the court, when the matter is going on in the court, that is called litigation. Pre-litigation, before entering into the court, if the matter is there, if it means if the matter is not comes in the court, that is called pre-litigation stage. So the Lok Adalat can handle the matter at the pre-litigative stage, and if a matter is pending before any court now, that case can also come in the Lok Adalat. But in the first sentence, guys, it is written not the matter which is pending before any court. So this second statement is wrong. Because the matter, if it is pending in court now, the court can refer the matter to the Lok Adalat. Because the basic aim of Lok Adalat is to settle the case and compromise the case. Settle the case and compromise the case. Settle and compromise the case. That's it. Settlement and compromise the case. Is that okay? So this is your fourth point. So this is your fourth question, and I think the first point is clear. So in this first point, there are few legal terms that you have to understand. What is jurisdiction? What is pre-litigation stage? What is the matter pending before any court? And C class, the basic aim of this ADR is to settle the matter and compromise the matter. Settle the matter and compromise the matter. That's it. So this is your first point. So first point is not correct. First point is not correct. Now the second one. Every Lok Adalat consists of either serving and retired judicial officer only. So suppose if the Lok Adalat is there, so serving and retired judicial officer, this is absolutely right only and not any other person. Guys, this statement is wrong because serving or retired judge plus expert person will also sit. Expert person will also sit. So that's why second is absolutely wrong because of the word not. Is that okay? So whatever that is written in the slide now, it is already written in the Lok Adalat presentation. So that's why this question is called, whatever we have read in the paid batch, that is called this batch. Now, C is none of the above. D is Lok Adalat can deal with the matter which are civil nature, not criminal nature. What is this? Civil nature means the cases belong to the private person. It means person versus person, that is called civil matter. And in criminal matter, the one party will be state and the another party is the accused person. So class, the Lok Adalat can handle the matter which are civil nature plus which are also criminal nature but not so much grievous criminal nature. Criminal nature which is very trifle one. The criminal nature is that which is very trifle one, a very small one. Okay, so this is your D point. So this is absolutely wrong because Lok Adalat can also deal the criminal nature offense also. So that's why class C is the right answer. Excellent, Parvati ma'am. C is the right answer because of this point. Excellent. Is that okay, ma'am and sir? Tell me class, is that okay? So this is the question which is totally based on the whatever we have just read in the paid class. Is that okay? Now let's move toward the next question. The ornaments kept by bank in the safe custody have been damaged the loss. Bank shall be liable. Bank is not liable if a bank have taken adequate care. Bank is liable even if the bank has taken adequate care and the bailer. And just give me the answer with a reason. Hanji class. Just give me the answer with the reason. I think this is a common sense question. This is the common sense question class. This is the common sense question and you have to tell me the answer. Common sense question. Arvind sir says C. Bank is liable. You are banker, Arvind sir. You are banker and you have to give me the right answer. You are the bankers. Okay. Yes, Parvati ma'am, you. Soumya ma'am say B. Ravi Kumar say B. Pratima ma'am say B. And Arvind sir says C. Bank is liable even if the bank has taken adequate. C sir, first of all, this question is called common sense question. You have to think. This question is called common sense question. You have to think before giving the answer. Okay. So if the ornament is kept at the bank in the safe custody and it is damaged, suppose it is theft. So in that case class, the bank is not liable if the bank will show that the bank have taken adequate care. This is the law which is given in the C. This word is basically from the word that is bailment. Okay. So bailment is given under section 148 of the Indian Contract Act. Okay. So what is bailment? Bailment means when one person deliver the things to the another person for the specific purpose. For the specific purpose. And when the purpose is complete, return back the goods. This is called bailment. Suppose if Nikita ma'am have given suit to the tailor for stitching. So when the cloth is my stitch, I will just take back my cloth. That is called bailment. Suppose if I go to their shop for the repair of my TV. So repairing of TV, the TV mechanics say that after 2 days you have to come. So after 2 days I am going. This is called contract of bailment. So same thing class, if Nikita ma'am is suppose giving jewelry for the safe custody to the bank. So in that case, if the bank will show in front of the court that they have taken a very adequate care, so in that case, the bank is not liable because this is the law. This is the law class which is given in the Indian Contract Act. That's it. Yes, class. Any doubt in this question? Yes, class. Any doubt in this question? Please tell me. Okay, Pratima ma'am. Anyone class? Okay, so these types of questions that is come in your exam. Okay, so this is very important to understand. Okay, this is very, very much important to understand. That's it. Okay, now let's move toward the next one. Next question class. Okay, this is called case studies question. What is this? This is called case studies question. Okay, so one by one, I will just tell you the story of this. So case study question is nothing but a story that is written here. Okay, now see, first of all, I'm just highlighting the character. It's a Lalu, Dudheru, Meera, it's a Kandheru, it's a Hirabul, etc. Okay, now see class. Lalu is a person. So Lalu is going to Ayodhya for a pilgrimage. Means for just religious work. He left his cow Dudheru with his neighbor Meera in consideration that she could sell the milk as long as she had the cow. Okay. In this particular case, the contract of bailment is there because Lalu have given the possession of the cow to the Meera for safety purpose.